Hi, this is a video explainer for absolute beginners in tech, brought to you by African EdTech. You can call me Mimi Digital, and we aim this series at people from the African diaspora who speak Pidgin or Patois or Creole. Welcome to part 4 of 5. In this video, we're going to explain more about the back end. By the end of this video, you should feel more confident about what you want to do next. In the previous video, we looked at the core meaning of middleware and CPU and APIs. Let's now take a closer look at the back end. So by focusing on the back end, we are going to be looking at the different parts of the back end. Now, when people talk about the back end in tech, they're usually talking about servers. Servers is the main thing. It's not the only thing, but mainly it's about servers. So what I want you to think about is that the front end interface and the back end servers, they both work together. The servers and the end user have no direct interaction. So you as an end user, you will not be interacting directly with the servers. But what you need to know as somebody coming into tech is that you have servers that will be on premises and you will have servers that are off premises, and that leads us to talk about the cloud. So when we talk about on premises, it means that there's machinery that belong to you or belong to the business you're interacting with, and they own those machines in a way that they can physically access them. If there's a need for an engineer, they can send an engineer to look at the problem with the server on the back end. With the cloud is more of a service provided by specialists. And so instead of calling it off-prem, it's called the cloud. That's the difference. And there's so many examples of what the back end is. Of course, it's more than just servers. All your algorithms go on in the back end. The architecture is in the back end, and some of these examples on the screen. So we just want you to bear that in mind as we look at these examples of what the back end is. Now, ask yourself what next you want to do. Explore your options, press pause, save and share this video, and take a step to do something for yourself to move you forward in your digital tech journey. Choose what you want to do next. Get in touch with us, join the discussion on our website, ask a question, get expert answers. Also, there's lots of tools and resources to start you off. Just take a step into digital tech. That's all you need to do. Start somewhere. Thank you for watching, and please click to watch the next video.